So most religious duties, rites, and rituals, they pertain to one's body, but ultimate religion is meant to liberate the soul from the material body by linking the soul with the individual soul with the Supreme Soul. And that's what religion means. And that's what yoga means religion. Religion means yoga. Huh? Because legio in Greek, which is the root, the mul, the root of the word religion means to connect, to join, to link, to connect, to link. And yoga means to link or connect. So that's why yoga is the way of connecting to the absolute, or to aspects of the absolute. Karma yoga is a way of connecting with the absolute through the temporary energy of Maya. And gradually from karma yoga, one will come to Gyan yoga and then bhakti yoga. It can go that way. That's what the Gita is explaining. Karma yoga, then nishkam karma yoga, then Gyan, then you get illumination. And if you're fortunate, your illumination after many, many births, Vasudevan Saravamati Samahatma Sadurlava. Bhavanam Janmanam Ante Gyanavan. If you're really, really a big Gyani, Gyanavan Mam, then the proof that you're a big Gyani is you surrender to Krishna. You're a big Gyani? Don't look like it. Look like a skinny little housewife. But actually, you're a surrender to Krishna, so you're a big Gyani. That's Krishna's words himself. So, the soul, this is the meaning. The Brajagopis are they are interested in the goal of Dharma, which is the eternal service of Krishna, love of God. So as such, they choose to neglect their bodily obligations and neglect their physical duties as wife, etc., and neglect to tend to the needs of because they want to tend to the needs of their soul and the service of the Supreme Soul, who is the real eternal pati, or husband and maintainer of all souls, which they indicate with the words, "You are certainly the very self," as they say, for all living entities. Tanu Britam Kila Atma. That's in the last line. You are the self of all selves. So thus the Brajagopis disagreed with Krishna by giving their own purport to his words. He's saying Swadharma, and they're saying Su-adharma. And he's saying, serve your pati, and they're saying, you are the parampati, you're the adipati.